Hi and welcome back to a new tip for Serene Living. It is very simple to do, it has great effects, and you can also have fun while doing it. You are going to run lightly up and down the stairs. And when you do this, it will have several good effects on you. To start with, you will burn some calories, and therefore, if you need to, you will also help your weight loss, but you will also have it as a great cardiovascular training. You will strengthen your heart and your lungs while doing that. It also will strengthen, of course, the muscles of your legs, but also it increases the core muscle strength while you do this very simple, we can call it technique, so simply running up and down the stairs. It also tones and sculpts your body, it strengthens your lungs. You will have healthier bones, muscle and joints. It will boost your health. You will increase the oxygen flow. And also you will start secreting, you'll start get going the hormones of happiness. So you don't have to do it for a long time. It is enough if you do it for 2-3 minutes, and then if you want you can increase day by day so that you will not get tired. It's not the purpose of it. So the purpose of all the tips we're going through is to create this state of serenity, tranquility, well-being. So you need to do them in order to feel better, not to feel tired. So this is the tip of the day: running up and down stairs very lightly. Make sure that you do it in such a way that you will not overload your knees. So you will have simply to pay attention to your own body, be aware of how it goes for you, and do it just instead of if you live in a block of flats and you are on another floor than the ground floor, instead of just going up and down the stairs, you can run lightly up and down, and you will see that you will definitely feel better, get the oxygen flowing better, train your heart and your lungs, so you have also cardiovascular training in the same time, strengthen your legs as I already mentioned, and you'll get healthier bones, muscle, joints. So all these tips that we have been going through, this is the 9th day. There are just a small part of an online masterclass which is called From Tension to Tranquility. It lasts for 6 weeks and it is containing much more techniques than these ones. These are the lightest, so to say, in the masterclass. And there you will learn how to go step by step, from tension, stress, anxiety to tranquility, because you learn how to master your energy for serene living. So if you want to get more details, just go to holisticlifeup.com and there you will find the details for it. But for now, I wish you a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow for the next tip for serene living. Bye for now. Subscribe and get access to all the training videos, those already published and the ones on their way. I wish you a wonderful day.